come to play.
Okay. So it's Friday, 2 days after Hurricane Beryl swept over the southern sections of Jamaica, and I'm down here at Portland Cottage beach, and the devastation is frightening. Obviously, many boats have been damaged, boat engines. The shops and the shops on the beach have been destroyed, many of them. Nets and pots destroyed. This is the livelihood of the people. The economy of southern Clarendon has really been terribly impacted by the closure of Money Musk, and really there's been nothing to replace it. So fishing is a major source of people's income. So just driving here through the communities of Portland Cottage, we have seen terrible devastation. Many houses are without roofs. Some elderly people, others with children are suffering now. With this, and of course, there's no electricity. I'm not seeing any evidence of JPS. I've been driving through the communities. Nothing. Well, at this point, I think regular visitor water trucks would be the first stop. I mean, they have some tanks here. I think they also need to distribute some water tanks to people. But, you know, the supply of water is critical. I'm not sure what the general arrangements for water are in the community. If they normally get NWC water. Yeah. So, I mean, they really just need the electricity system to be working so the water supply can chip in as well. But in the meantime, water needs to be trucked here so that people can get water. Yeah.
Dozens of JPS poles are down. Do you think this may take days, even months, to put together?
It depends on the level of effort that's put behind it. So if there's not sufficient resources put behind the reconstruction of the grid here, then yes, it's going to take a long time. But if it's fully resourced with the adequate push behind it, and as I said, I would think where we are now, we're going to need external help to make this happen quickly. It can be done more quickly.
So what is the appeal, sir?
We can pull off and make it empty. I would again full level. What size is it? 18,000 15 no, we want that in the salt. But as I say, water we in the salt. We did salt from before. We know say did salt in but so they just try and think that we use it. But no. So you use it all the while? Yeah, people use it all the while. I'm bathing stand, if you understand, they look back at this, wash stand around the same way. Come around here, say you wash up. They washed up there, understand, the bath around here.